leader Rahul Gandhi has questioned the government for the downgrade in India's rating by Moody's. Global rating agency Moody's Investors Service downgraded India's sovereign rating to the lowest investment grade. Moody's said that the country's policy-making institutions would be challenged in enacting and implementing policies. Rahul Gandhi has said, Moody's has rated Modi's handling of India's economy a step above junk. Lack of support to the poor and the MSME sector means the worst is yet to come. Moody's predicted a tougher time for India that would mitigate the risks of a sustained period of low growth. The global agency also forecasts further deterioration in the government fiscal position and stress in the financial sector. The downgrade by Moody's comes nearly 22 years after it lowered India's rating on June 19, 1998, in the aftermath of the country's nuclear tests. The lowering of the rating from Baa2 to Baa3 brings it on a par with S&P and Fitch, which rate India at BBB-, the lowest investment grade. The downgrade comes against the deterioration in the country's growth prospects as the national lockdown unveiled to stem the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic has stalled economic activity. This has also choked revenues, including those from GST, prompting the government to raise its market borrowing sharply, which economists say will widen its fiscal deficits to around 5.5% of gross domestic product. While today's action is taken in the context of the coronavirus pandemic, it was not driven by the impact of the pandemic, said the statement from the Moody's. Rather, the pandemic amplifies vulnerabilities in India's credit profile that were present and building prior to the shock and which motivated the assignment of a negative outlook last year, the agency said. The agency said that in turn, a prolonged period of slower growth may dampen the pace of improvements in living standards. The government responded to the growth slowdown with the recent announcement of a 20 lakh crore stimulus package. Moody's does not expect that these measures will durably restore real GDP growth to rates around 8%, which had seemed within reach just a few years ago, the statement said. Congress has questioned the drastic economic downturn of the Indian economy in the last 6 years of BJP government.